Well, hello, this is Danny, and this is a video to show the power of search box optimization for a black car service, limo service company in Chicago. This company is taking advantage of SBO when customers search inside a search box, such as Bing, Google, or YouTube, and put in words such as Chicago limo. And as you can see, the company is listed right below as a suggestion, in this case by Bing. And if you come down, you'll see others are not, there's no other brand name associated or company name associated with a key phrase. So Second City Livery is able to corner the market, so to speak. And even before the search results display all of the competitors in Chicago that book limo services, they're able to get their name in front of the customer. And more importantly, once a customer either A, completes this phrase by hitting tab, or B, clicks the actual suggestion, look what happens here. All of the information that's being displayed is related to the actual business Second City Livery. So not only do you get top of mind marketing, where your customers are seeing you 24/7 inside the search box, you bypass the search results page where competitors are. So for example, the old way of looking at this is typing in a search phrase and seeing all of these competitors running ads, paying for clicks, and getting lost in the mix. What we're seeing is about 70 to 75% click-through rates of people seeing the suggested business and clicking through to contact that business. If you have a business you'd like to get in the search box and see if your terms are available, we'd be more than happy to talk to you. Please give us a call. Number and information is below. Thank you.